I like the fusion of that with what is coming out now, the way it's fusing.
Thank you so much for joining us. You look as handsome as ever.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
If you could just tell us a little bit about what you think the ultimate Giovanni man is all about.
Well, from what I've experienced in the past day and ever since our relationship started, and what I've been seeing, in the collection of what Giovanni has, I think it actually defines a very style-sensible man. And with their all-time famous Italian cuts, they're actually bringing forward a very, I think, available kind of, clothing and dressing for every kind of man out there. So I feel what Giovanni is doing is great with formal clothing. You can carry yourself with style. It definitely looks like the man of substance, whoever wears it, I think. And it can be worn to every other occasion. So I'm really happy to be a part of their team and to be representing them. I think it's a great honor. And yeah, that's it.
Well, you certainly are the epitome of the Giovanni man, and you look extremely dapper, as always.
Thank you.
Rachna, I wanted to ask you, I think it's pretty obvious, though, but why Fawad for Giovanni?
That's slightly personal. So what happened was, about a year ago, a friend of mine told me that I must watch this channel called Zindagi, and there are these Pakistani serials televised on that. I hadn't heard of this before. So I went home and I tuned out and saw Zindagi Gulzar Hai, and I was hooked. I had a date with Fawad, all alone at home, watching him on TV, night after night.
You're not supposed to tell
watched
them that.
Humsafar, watched Dastan. And then actually Khoobsurat happened. And when I watched the movie, frame after frame, I said, there's never a guy who looks so good wearing a classic suit or a band gala. And that's when Mr. Kishore Biani, my boss, called me and he said, why don't we look at the opportunity of signing up Fawad Khan for Giovanni? And the rest, they say, is history. So here we are.
It certainly is. And speaking of Khoobsurat, actually, I mean, everything that you wore in that movie was so stylized, so funky, so fashionable. And of course, the fact that you were standing right next to Sonam Kapoor, who's quite a fashion icon herself, didn't hurt either. So, it kind of puts you on the style map. What is Fawad's personal style?
Are you sure you want me to answer that question?
Yes.
No, actually, my personal style is, I've always felt that the classic man, the hero that has been from the 50s or the 60s, the 70s. That is where the real definition of man came from, which especially on film. Style icons for me have been men like French actors like Alain Delon and Paul Newman and many, many other actors, but from that age in particular. So I feel that classic touch to fashion is something that suits me best. Having said that, I like the fusion of that with what is coming out now, the way it's fusing with contemporary. But if I were to wear anything out on an average day, it would be something from that era.
That's fantastic. Well, that's the great thing about Giovanni, that it caters for everyone with every sense and style. So that's fantastic. Thank you so much. If I could ask you both now to please take a seat, and we will open the floor to a question and answer session. Do you want to sit? Do you want to stand?
Sorry?
Photo. Get out of here.
What's my favorite accessory? I'm actually,
Pocket squares.
known. Yeah, pocket squares is something that people hate me for, especially on film sets. So that's why they stop me from wearing jackets now, because I take at least 20, 25 minutes to pick the right one. So. I'm just kidding. Yeah, it is my favorite accessory.
Okay. And do we ever see you wearing something that's totally dhinchak, you know, Bollywood, little loud?
I think there's no such thing as, I'm glad that, you know, obviously you identify certain things with every industry, and saying Bollywood loud, I think is probably something that has become that idea of fashion. But I feel that anything that may be loud does not necessarily have to be unfashionable. So I wouldn't mind wearing it as long as I can wear it in my style. So I may have tried that in my earlier days with a couple of projects that I have done. But again, I feel that it's how you carry it and how you wear it. So I'm open to it as long as, you know, it suits me, it suits my silhouette.